Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover hacked Facebook account without email and phone number. First of all, you need to tap on the Google, and after that, look out for the hacked and fake accounts. And after you search on that option, you need to select the first option from the Facebook that says hacked and fake accounts. What you have to do is scroll a bit down over here, and we could see the hacked accounts on the top. You need to tap on the recover your account if you think your Facebook account was hacked. And we could see the visit the page, which is just on the bottom. On the blue font, tap on that again. And after you tap on that, you will be redirected to another page. What you have to tap on is the my account is compromised. And here we could see to get back into your account, you need to enter your current password or an old password if you know it. If you don't know, if you do not think that your account was hacked, then you can cancel this process as well. So as I'm going with my old password, so I'm going to type down my old password and tap on the login option. And what you have to do is tap on the find account after this. Then here we could see we are again required to enter our mobile number. And on the bottom we could see there's another option that says search by your email address or your name instead. So select that. And after that I'm going to tap on the search option over here. And we could see there's three options of your account. Whichever is your account, you can simply select that option as it is. And here we could see it says that will send it a login code in your Gmail, and in the bottom you could see there's another option that says try another way. Select that and tap on the try another way again, and you have three options that say send code via login, Facebook notification, via email, or enter your password. So you can select any of these options from here and tap on the continue, and after that a code will be sent to your Facebook account and you'll be able to recover your account. And this is it guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.